I'm leaving noise behind me now. City lights begin to fade, trading roads for winding trails, for quiet skies where I can breathe. Every step feels lighter here, every sound is real and clear. No rush, no race, no need to run, just earth and sky and a rising sun. Take me to the mountains of Kabayan, where the air remembers my name. Pines are singing, rivers praying. I am whole when I'm this close to nature again. Morning mist on ancient stones, stories written in the land. I slow my heart, I find my ground with open hands. I understand time moves different up this way. Silence teaches me to stay. I let the weight fall from my soul. The mountain makes me feel complete. Take me to the mountains of Kabayan, where the world finally feels right. No crowds calling, no alarms ringing, just quiet days and honest light. I don't need much, I don't need more, just this moment, nothing else. Roots below and sky above, I remember who I am. Take me to the mountains of Kabayan, let the earth pull me back home. Far from the noise, close to my breathing.